you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of some Glossier products, so let's get to it. First I'm going to start off with their skincare, so I did get a few things. The first one here is the Glossier Milk Jelly Cleanser. So I've been using this for the past 3 days, and my first initial thought was, wow, it's really soft on your skin. It's not harsh. All the chemicals, I don't know if there's chemicals in it, but if there are, it's really soft and gentle on your skin. It feels great. I haven't really noticed it like clear up any acne or anything like that, so I don't know if it's really based for that, but it is a good cleanser to have just in general. Alrighty, next I did also get their solution, exfoliating solution. It's called their Skin Perfector. It's in this cute little bottle. It's pink, kind of sparkly here. It's kind of like a toner, so you put it on after you wash your face with this, I'm assuming. And it feels really good. Like I said before, the chemicals are not harsh at all. Alright, after that I put on their moisturizer here. It's in this cute little bottle. I don't really know what to say about it. I mean, it's pretty general like every other moisturizer. It feels really good on your skin, doesn't feel too oily, and other than that, pretty simple but good. Okay, next I did get one of their masks. It's the Mega Greens Galaxy Pack Detoxifying Face Mask. It's in this cute little green bottle. It is pretty exfoliating. There's some little chunks in there that get your skin going. So basically what you do is you put it on, you leave it on for 20 minutes to let it dry, seep into those pores. I have used this already. It worked out really well, and it did make my skin feel very clean and refreshed after that. So it's a good one to have. And next, this is one of their top sellers. It is the Bubble Wrap. It's for your eyes and for your lips. Basically what it does is plump your lips up a little bit, as well as, I believe, just kind of relax your under eyes. So this is what it looks like out of the bottle. It almost has the texture of like a spray can, but when you open it, it's just a little pump here. I have used this. I really like it. It's very smooth on your lips for the lip plumping aspect of it. I haven't really noticed my lips get any bigger, but it does feel really great, so I love that. And also it does come in this little packaging. It's just pink bubble wrap, zipper. It's cute. I wouldn't really use it for anything else just because it's plastic. The zipper already broke, but it is cute for the packaging. Alright, let me get this stuff out of the way. Huh, Cabo? Oh! Okay, now we're going to go over to the makeup aspect. So obviously I don't have any makeup on right now, and that's because I'm going to be doing a try-on of all of this makeup, so stay tuned for that video. It'll be on our channel right after this one. So I have never used Glossier makeup before, that's why I want to give an honest review. I'm not getting paid or anything, I just bought all this stuff to try, so I will give you honest reviews. Okay, so I'm going to start off with one of their best sellers. It's called Cloud Paint. Basically what it is a blush. It's a liquid blush, so instead of the powder, it's like this little cream here. I got it in Beam. That's their peachy color, so I'm going to be trying that on. I feel like that would look best with my skin because I have really fair skin, but there are a lot of options out there, so we'll see with that one. Alright, next here. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what this is. Okay, this is another bestseller. It's the Boy Brow. I've used this before actually. My sister bought it, and that's what made me want to get it so bad. It's actually like a little mascara brush here for your eyebrows. It brushes them out and adds color to them, so it's really great. I cannot wait to use this. It's going to be in my makeup bag every day. Alright. Next here, that kind of goes along with that, is the Brow Flick. So this is a pen for your eyebrows. It's very thin, so you can add hair-like lines to your brows to make them look fuller and cleaner. I have not used this, like I said. Haven't really used any of these products, but I'm excited to use it. I've heard good reviews about it, so it's good. And just so you know, I did get both of these colors in blonde. I barely have any eyebrows, as you can tell. I have eyebrows, but they're very blonde, almost clear. So I did get them in blonde. That's their lightest color, even though it's a little bit dark for me, but I like that look, so just so you know as well. Okay, so this is another bestseller. Obviously, they have a lot of bestsellers. This is the Generation G, I believe it's called. So this is their lipstick that they offer. They do have several colors. It's in this very good packaging. I really like this lipstick. You open it up here. Looks like that. It's sheer and it's matte somehow. I haven't tried it, like I said, but it looks very good. The color I got was Cake. It's their peachy color, again, kind of like the beam, so hopefully those go along really well. Alright, on top of the lipstick, you can also use their lip gloss. They're very well known for their lip gloss. It's popping off right now. I got it in holographic, I think it's called, or holoscope, something like that. It's the sparkly one. Let's open it up here. Alright, so the brush does look very soft. It looks like it's a good one. It doesn't look like anything cheap. It does look like it's really good quality. And yeah, I'm excited to do that one too. Alright, next here I did get some of their foundation. It's called Perfect Skin Tint. My first reaction to this was that it's in a very, very small container. I thought it would be, a little bit more foundation than this, but things happen. So I'm excited to try this. I've heard that it is very thin. It's not, heavy in coverage, so I'm just gonna give it a try for work days or days I'm not really trying to put too much makeup on. Let me see, I got the color G10 and I have very fair skin, so hopefully this matches pretty well. And to go along with that, I did get their powder as well. Let's see here, I'm gonna open that up. Alright, it comes in a little package like this. It's just basic setting powder. Looks like that. You dip your brush in there and the powder comes out. So that one should be good to put on top of the foundation. Maybe it'll add a little bit more coverage. And in this color, I got the G8 to G10. Alrighty, and lastly here, I did get their highlighter stick. And I got it in the holoscope color. It's silver. It's the lightest color I think they had. It's almost white. The other colors are brown and like a pink color. So I just got it in the plain white. Let's see, how do you twist it? So you twist it from the bottom. I always think it's the top. And it looks like that. It's just a little stick here. So I'm excited to try that. I usually use like powdered highlighters, so this will be cool. It's more of a gel, so we'll see how that goes. And that is everything, guys. I did get a lot of stuff, so I'm excited to now put it on for you and show you what it looks like. Alrighty, let's go.